So I guess we were doing force and pressure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by force, Ieshal?
So a force can be a pull or push.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Like opening a drawer or closing a door.
Opening a drawer and a closing of door. Okay, in which directions does your forces get added and in which direction they get subtracted? And what's the case where the object will not move? Am I not audible to you, Ieshal?
No, ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
Do you have the notes with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in which case the forces will get added?
Okay. The forces will get added when the force when the force is different but same direction,
Force
or
get
when the
added when it is in different direction.
no when it is in same direction and different force.
Okay, so what will be the movement of the object? Will it be at the same direction or it
Yes,
will go
same
opposite?
direction. Same direction.
It will be in same direction. Then
Yeah.
next case where they get subtracted.
Where the force where the direction is opposite and the force is also different.
Okay, and
Both are in,
when will the object don't move?
when the force is same and but the direction is different.
Sorry, you are not that audible to me, Ieshal.
When the force is same and the direction is opposite.
Okay, so in that case, the net force will be 0 and
Yes.
the object will not move. Okay, so in the last class, we did first effect of force as it can change the state of motion of an object. What do you mean by this? That let's say a force has been applied onto the object, so either it will stop it or either it will cause it to move. Okay, so this is the effect of the force to change the state of motion of an object. If it is stationary, then the force will cause it to move, and if it is moving, so a force can stop it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second effect is force can change the shape of the object. As in the case of I say rubber band, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Rubber band, if you will stretch the rubber band, what it will cause? It will change the shape of the object, and when it will recoil back, when it will regain its original position, so it will be what? It will be intact. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have the example for spring. If you can see in the image also, are you able to see the
Yes,
image?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the person has stretched the spring and it has again recoiled back. So after stretching, the shape has changed. The length has
Yes.
increased. Yes or no? So this is one such
Yeah.
example. If I talk about the, okay, what about the dough? What about the dough?
Yes.
If you apply pressure, if you do kneading, it will change its shape. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And what if the, have you heard about malleable and ductile? Malleable and ductile materials.
No, ma'am.
See, Some objects, especially the metals, okay, after getting beaten by a hammer, either they will be formed into a thin sheet or either they will be turned into the wires. So this is the shape of the new shape of the material. Okay, this is in the case of metals. Okay, so either it will be turned into thin sheets or either it will be turned into the wires. Okay, conducting wires. Earlier it was the metal. Fine.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about the sponge? If you can see, sponge has the pores. Okay, sponge
Yes,
has
ma'am.
the pores. So if you will compress that sponge, what will happen? It will,
Get smaller.
yes, it will become smaller. It decompresses. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is how the force is changing the shape. Now, in gross terms, we would be able to infer that it will cause the things to move. It will stop the moving object. Okay, it will change the speed. Let's say a car is moving with a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Okay.
after applying the what, you have reduced the speed to 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, how it has changed? Let's say it was moving with 50 kilometer per hour and somewhere a breaker comes, okay, in
Yes, ma'am.
between. So it has reduced the speed to 30 kilometer. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Then
Yes.
it can change the direction of a moving object. If you have thrown the ball, let's say in this direction, okay, yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the bat, let's say a force has been applied by the bat. So either it can go in this direction or in this direction. Okay. So the force is changing the direction of the moving object. Okay. And also it can change the shape of the object. This we have already discussed in the case of all these materials. Okay. Um, Ishal, I want you to write all these effects of forces. Okay. Effects
Okay.
of forces, and I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, you have to write all the statements within 2 minutes with the one example. Okay, example you have to write on your own. Okay, have you understood each of these statement? Any doubt in
Yes, ma'am.
any effect? You can ask me one
No,
more time.
I got it.
Okay, please read these points and for the effects of forces and write each example for them. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will move on to, after this, we will move on to the types of forces. Because you have your exams in the October. Yes, Ishal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I need to complete at least half of the syllabus for you so that you would be able to write things in your exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Please let me know once you finish off writing.
Priya participated in the race.
Is it done, Ieshal?
One but that no, close.
Okay, is it Ieshal or Ieshal?
Ishal.
Ieshal.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's natural. Yeah, cash, sheep, and at one. After lunch, Mara is a dad. Mara and Dash went to see the fish. The fish in the aquarium. Mara and I'm done.
Okay. Now coming on to the types of forces. Okay. Do you have any idea what are types of forces?
Yes, ma'am.
What are these?
There are two types of forces: contact forces and non-contact force.
Okay. So let me draw the flow chart first. Okay.
Okay.
Forces we have of two types: contact forces. From the name itself, you can easily understand contact forces, meaning when the object is coming in contact with the surface. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
non-contact forces.
Yes.
Non-contact forces. See, in the contact forces, you would be able to see two objects coming in contact with each other. But within the non-contact forces, you can't see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So under your contact forces, you have further classification, that is
Muscular force.
very good. You have muscular force, okay, which is exerted by the muscles onto your bones
Yes.
to cause the movement. Okay. Then
Yes.
you have frictional force. Okay. Frictional force. Understood? What is friction,
Then
Ishal?
friction.
Friction, yes. Friction is the opposing force. Okay.
Yes,
Friction is the
ma'am.
opposing. Within non-contact force, you have magnetic force. Okay. You have
Yes.
magnetic force. Then
Gravitational force. Gravitational
gravitational
force.
force. Very good. Gravitational force. Will you be able to see these forces?
No.
And at last, we have electrostatic force. Electrostatic involving the electricity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Electrostatic. when two charges are at rest. Okay. So,
Yes.
starting with the contact forces first. Okay. Starting with the contact forces first. So you have first as muscular force. Okay, let's talk about the contact force first. Because a question can be asked, explain contact forces. So what are these? Force that acts on an object, on an object. Okay, they are acting on an object
Yes,
when
ma'am.
it is in contact with the body, or I can say with the surface. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is contact force. Fine. So under your contact force, you have muscular force. Muscular force is exerted as a result of action of muscles
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the body. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's say, yes, let's say, Ishal, this is your muscle. Fine. This is your muscle. Okay. And it is around any of the bone. Let's say I have taken it, the example of the arm bone. Okay. So you have muscle around it. Fine. So
Yes, ma'am.
see, Ishal, if this muscle is contracting, okay, shortened its size. Okay. Contracted is shortening of size. Okay. So it will pull the what? It will pull the structures with it to cause the movement. Let's say this is my hand and I am moving my hand like this, or I am doing this. Okay, so how? Because I have the bones in my finger and around those bones I have my muscles. So if those muscles are shortening, they are pulling the structures up, they are pulling the structures towards it and causing the movement. Understood? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Can you give me an example? One example I have given you. Any other example? Any muscular organ in your body that is causing the movement and performing the function? Can I talk about lungs? Lungs are required for breathing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Exchange of gases. So they are contracting and relaxing, then only the gaseous exchange is taking place. Exchanging of gases. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the second type of force, that is frictional force. Okay? Frictional force. Fine. So what type of force is this? Friction, that something that is opposing the movement. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it opposes the motion, okay, of an object, of an object, okay, and always acts in the direction, or in the opposite direction to motion. Can you give me an example for this? Since this is an opposing force, so how frictional force is applied? Any idea, Ieshal? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you are able to write with the pen on the paper, so is there frictional force or not?
Yes.
Yes. That's why you are able to write it. Otherwise,
Uh,
if there would be smooth surface, so you won't be able to write it. Okay.
yes.
So one such example, writing with pen on paper. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. And one more example you can give, when boat stop. What happened when the boat stops? What will happen? What will happen when you are rowing the boat? Then only it is moving. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will not row the boat, it will not move. So when boat stops moving, when we stop rowing. Okay, these two examples you can give. Ishal, I want you to write about the contact force. First, draw this flow chart and write about the contact forces, muscular and frictional. I'm giving you 2 minutes, dear. Please complete it within 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down? ये वाले पे ध्यान दीजिए कौन सा वर्ड लिखा है और उसका चेंज होके क्या बनता है इफ यू कैन नॉट रीड आस्क मी going up and down happily. Now, next question. What does the child see when he goes high? The child sees the
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Have you done for frictional force?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming on to the next type of force, that is non-contact force. Okay. So what's happening in non-contact forces? The surfaces are not coming in contact to each other. Okay. Non-contact
Yes, ma'am.
forces. Are those that does not involve any kind of physical contact, any kind of physical contact between two objects on which they act. Okay. So
Yes,
there is no contact between all those objects in which it is acting. So first is your magnetic force. Magnetic something which is being generated around the magnet. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So this, let's say this is your magnet. This is North Pole and South Pole. So magnetic fields are emerging from north and going to south. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Then
Yes, ma'am.
these fields are generated. Then only the magnet is able to attract the metals or other materials. Okay. So magnetic force is force exerted by a magnet on an object either made of either because it usually attracts the metals. Yes or no?
Yes,
Either
ma'am.
made of steel, iron, okay, cobalt, or nickel. Okay, fine. Coming on to the electrostatic force. Electrostatic meaning electric field being generated around the charges. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the forces. Electrostatic forces exerted by charged body. Okay, by
Yes,
charged
ma'am.
body on another charged body. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, another uncharged body. Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
on another uncharged body. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say you have the charges over here. One is negative and one is positive and other is negative. So there is the electrostatic force between them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming on to the gravitational force. Gravitational. Okay, Ieshal, this can be in the case of both uncharged and the charged. Okay. One body should be exactly charged, but it can attract any uncharged body also and charged body also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the gravitational force. So this is the forces exerted by each and every object in the world, in the world on another object, which is an attractive force. Okay, which is an attractive force. Can you give me an example for this?
An apple falling from a tree.
Falling of an apple on tree, or we humans are able to stand on the ground. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
organisms standing on ground are due to the gravitational force exerted by the earth onto us. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Okay, quickly. Yes, Ishal, are you asking? Are you asking something, Ishal?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in any of the point?
I didn't
Hello?
understand electrostatic force.
You don't understood electrostatic force. Okay. Have you done an activity that you have rubbed the scale onto your hair and then you have attracted the bit of paper towards it?
Yes.
This activity is usually done by the students
Yeah,
that
yeah.
they rub the scale onto their hair to create the charge. Okay. But
Yeah,
paper
ma'am.
was the uncharged object. Okay. The scale was the charged object and the paper was the uncharged. So it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
attracting it towards it. Okay, it was attracting towards it. Why? Due to the electrostatic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, whenever there is charges, electric field is generated around them. Okay. If there are charges, so electric fields are generated around them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are attracting the objects towards them. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please complete it so that we can start with the another topic, that is pressure. Course we have completed. Now we have to start the last topic of this chapter, which is pressure. Please let me know once you finish off writing.
Ma'am, I can't see the magnetic force.
You can't see the
Magnetic force. Yeah.
now. Is it visible
Yes,
to you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Question would be more, what does the child see when he goes high? Child को क्या होगा? ये क्या सवाल करेंगे हिंदी में? ये सब सवाल करेंगे रुकने के ना पढ़ाई में दिल नहीं लगेगा. Mama, she is the capital T. No. बीच में capital T कौन सा है? ना प्रेस नहीं करेंगे सवाल पूछेंगे. Child का होगा children. क्या होगा child का? Children. तो बोलने वाला क्लास चल रहा है तो भी हल्ला नहीं बचा. चलो मम्मी 5 साइड से 5 टाइम्स child children.
Hello. Is it done, Ieshal?
Yes, ma'am. Writing the example of the last. Yes, ma'am.
Children. Now say it 5 times. Child, children, child, children.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So, coming on to the another topic, which is pressure. What do you mean by pressure, Ieshal? Any idea? Okay, do you know about this formula? Pressure is equals to force upon
Force by
area.
area. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what can you say? Can I say pressure to be the unit force acting on per unit area of a surface? A surface. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
if my force will be 1 Newton and my area will be 1 meter square, then my pressure will be 1 Newton per meter square. Okay. So can I say
Yes,
my
ma'am.
SI unit of pressure is Pascal?
Yes.
Okay. Pascal denoted with PA or Newton per meter square. Okay. So whenever a question comes to you, so first always check the units. If the unit for force is given to be Newton, then it's okay. Then you don't need to change the unit. And if this is in centimeter square, then you have to change it. Your area should be in meter square only. Okay,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
should be in meter. Fine. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can you give me an example for pressure? What will happen now? If you can see, pressure is directly proportional to force, but pressure is inversely proportional to A. Now, what do you mean by this? If your pressure will increase, then area will decrease. And if the pressure will increase, so force will increase. Getting it or not? So if
Yes.
I say that why the straps of the school bags are wider in area to provide support to the shoulders. Why?
To reduce the pressure
Yes. So
on the shoulder.
for this, if my pressure will be more, then my area will be less. And if my area is more, then the pressure will be
Pressure
less.
is less.
So
Yes.
school bags have wider straps to reduce pressure on shoulders. Okay. Yes or no, Ieshal? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another example about the nail. Do you know the nail?
Yes, ma'am. Hammering a
This
nail
nail,
into, yeah, like,
nail has the pointed end. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
So whenever you will insert that nail into a wall, okay? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Nail in wooden board can go easily. Why? Due to pointed end, due to pointed end producing,
More pressure.
yes, more pressure because the area is
Because
less.
area is less and pressure is more.
Understood? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes.
So this is with respect to the pressure and area. Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I say, if I talk about solids, okay? So how
Yes.
the solids exerts the pressure? In which direction does the solids exert pressure?
Uh,
Will it be downward or it will be upward?
downward.
Yes. Exert pressure downwards. Why? Exert pressure downwards. Why? Why, Ishal? Due to its more weight. Okay? Due to its
Okay.
more weight. That's why whenever the, if the thing is denser than the medium, okay, what will happen? It will float or it will sink.
It will sink.
Sink, yes. Similar case you can apply here. Due to the more weight, the solids will apply pressure on in the downward direction. What about the what about the liquids and gases? What about the liquids and
The
gases,
liquid will,
Ishan? Do
liquid
they
and gas.
exert pressure in the downward direction or in all
No,
the directions?
gases exert pressure upwards.
Upwards, or I can say in all directions. In all directions. Okay. So if you, let's say you have this,
Yeah.
okay, and you have the liquid fill in this. Fine. So it will
Yes, ma'am.
apply pressure on all the ends, sidewards also and upwards also. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you can see what happens when the pipe leaks, the pipe containing the water, where does the water flow?
Downwards.
If you have the pipe like this, so the water will come upward or the downward?
Or like that, upwards.
So it is coming up upward. And what about the fountain which is coming out? It is going in all the direction. Let's say this is
Yes, ma'am.
the pipe. Okay, and there is some leakage. So the water will disperse in all the directions. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When the pipe leaks, the water comes out.
But after the water comes out of the pipe, the water is gonna go down.
Sorry,
After the water comes out of the pipe, it's gonna go down.
it
After.
will go down due to the gravity,
Yes,
dear.
yes,
It
yes.
will go
That.
down due to, but it is how it is
So,
coming from the pipe, how it is applying the pressure in all the directions. Although it is going down onto the ground,
yeah.
but in
Yes,
all the directions. Okay.
okay.
Do you want to ask anything? Any doubt you have?
No.
It comes out as fountain in all directions. Why? Because water exerts pressure on the walls of pipe. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, the case of balloon, what happened with the this was with the case of liquid. What happens with the balloon? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say hole in the balloon
Yes, ma'am.
can cause the air to escape in all the directions. Okay, in all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
directions. Are you familiar with this, Chal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These are the examples for the liquids and the gases. Here, the
Yes,
gas
ma'am.
and the liquid are exerting force on the container, exerting force. Sorry, exerting pressure. Exerting pressure. Pressure on the walls. Sorry, on the walls of container. Okay. Is the
Yes,
concept clear to you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Mohammed, after this, do you have any other topic in this chapter?
Uh, we have atmospheric pressures.
Atmosphere is there.
Yeah,
Okay.
atmospheric pressure. Yes.
Please write this first. Please write this first.
Yes, ma'am.
cousin के बारे में बात कर रहा है Harris. My neighbor said, speaking about his cousin Harris, my neighbor said, my computer is cheap, but it is expensive. Cheap computer expensive कैसे cheap मतलब सस्ता होता है? My computer is cheap, but his is expensive. अपने cousin के बारे में बता रहे हैं, मेरा computer cheap है लेकिन उसका महंगा है.
Ieshal, let me complete of the atmospheric pressure also. Please take the screenshot of this. This you can write after the class also. Please take the screenshot of this.
Okay.
Done. Is it done?
Well, I don't know.
Please take the screenshot of this. Done.
Yes,
So let
ma'am.
me finish off the atmospheric pressure also. I want to complete this chapter today so that we can start next chapter for today's class. Okay. So what do you mean by the atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Any idea, Ishal?
The and
Can I say it is a thick blanket that surrounds the
Earth.
that that surrounds the earth. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Earth above its surface. Above its surface. Okay. So what is atmospheric pressure? The pressure which is exerted by this layer. Okay. That is
Yes,
known
ma'am.
as the atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by this layer of air in the, because it is composed of only the gases, air. Okay. This thick
Yes,
blanket is composed of all the gases. So the pressure exerted by this layer of air atmosphere in the atmosphere is called as atmospheric pressure. Understood?
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to feel the atmospheric pressure? Will you be able to feel the atmospheric pressure around you?
Uh,
Yes or no, Mohammad? We cannot feel the
and
atmospheric pressure. Okay? We cannot feel the atmospheric pressure. Although this is in the surroundings, but we can't feel it. Why? Because we have the fluid in our body. So it is balancing the pressure, the outside pressure and the inner pressure. Okay.
yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, we cannot feel that. Sorry, because the fluid pressure inside inside the body counterbalances the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure that surrounds us. Okay. Clear to you? Yes or no, Ishal? Okay. So with
Yes,
this, I
ma'am.
have finished off your first chapter, that is force and pressure.